Okay, so what I wanted to do here was to see whether I could take a program for the ZX81 in an emulator and then save it to a file. Just typing it in here. Save it to a file, a .p file, and then put that onto a ZX Spectrum Next running as a ZX81, and then in turn save that out to tape and then see whether I can load it on a ZX81. So that's what I'm going to do. So here we are. We're just going to save it to the effectively a virtual tape, the .p file. And that's done. Now I've copied the file over to the memory card on the ZX Spectrum Next, so I'm going to boot it up here. Give it a moment. Here we go. And I'm going to go in the browser, find the file, that one at the bottom there, and run it. Well, load it in. Let's do a list. Yep, there we go. All there. So let's give it a run. Lovely. Okay. Now, what we want to do is get a tape. There we go. And save that from the ZX81 running on the Next to the tape. So let's try this. Okay, get ready. So we're going to save this now across from the ZX Spectrum Next running as a ZX81. So we're going to save this. Here we go. And right, I've got to select cassette. And that now should be saving. There we go. And done. So we'll stop that. Okay, now we've flicked over to the actual ZX81. I'm going to try and load this in now. So press play. Well, that hasn't worked. Didn't load in, so let's give that another go. Change the volume. Okay, here we go. Try again. Put the monitor on this time, so you should be able to hear the sound of it loading. But I'm gonna speed it up. Yeah, failed again. So after this, I tried and tried again, and I couldn't get it to work. But I've noticed here, I think you can hear it when I'm trying to save from the Next. There's this background noise that I think is causing some of the problems. So I'm going to try it the other way. I've typed it in on the ZX81. And now I'm going to save to tape from the ZX81 and try to load that in on the ZX Spectrum Next. So let's give that a whirl. So the screen goes blank on the ZX81 while it's saving or loading. It doesn't display anything. So there we go. Yeah, that's saved out. So okay. So now I'm going to flick back over to HDMI where I've got the Next. Yeah. And now I'm in ZX81 mode. I've got nothing loaded, so I'm going to try and load this in. Here we go. Okay, looks like it's done it. Yeah, there we go. Success. Well, at least I've had some success with it. Awesome. But yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't go the other way. I guess maybe I could try another ZX81, but yeah, it worked one way, but not the other. I'll have another go, but yeah, there you go. You can go from a ZX81 to a Spectrum next. I'm sure you can go the other way. I just can't get it to work right now, but I'll try again. So thanks for watching, and if anybody wanted me to try anything else or think of anything that would help fix that problem I've got trying to load this, let me know. Thanks again.